Today we are looking at a custom-built Simple Tek Oat Flaker. This is an oat flaker that we sell here at Commodity Traders International. The customer that bought this unit wanted to go with the full array of options that we offer. He said he needed a discharge height of a minimum of 30 inches. It came out a little bit higher. It discharges at 33 inches. We're able to make stands for just about any application. He also wanted the continuous flow discharge. That makes it so that the unit doesn't just discharge into the little drawer. You can see we've adapted it and modified it. He wanted the continuous flow option, so that means we modify it and put a continuous flow chute here on the bottom. He also wanted the extended hopper. He requested a hopper that would hold approximately 50 to 60 pounds of oats, and we were able to deliver on that as well. You can see that we have it welded to the top of the oat flaker. He also wanted the single phase conversion that we offer. The single phase converter is right there in that box. It takes single phase 220 and turns it into three phase. It's an all-around nice unit. We wanted to make this video to show you all of the options that we offer for this unit. We also put swiveling casters on the bottom of this unit to make it easy to move around. We're going to fire this unit up for you now so you can see it work. Okay, we have the sample of oats that the buyer sent to us. You can see their hold. Now we're going to put them into the oat flaker. Doing a great job. You can see that it handles a surge very well. We have the choke plates dialed in. That allows it to be fed into the oat flaker. Work as it should. Doing a great job. The Simple Tek Oat Flaker has a capacity of 600 pounds per hour. Working well. And now the batch is finished. We have a very nice Quaker Oat effect. This unit does a great job. The Simple Tek Oat Flaker is available from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery, as well as customized options like you see here. Thank you for watching.